So what's different about this problem is that it has a leading coefficient that is not 1. But it is quadratic because you can see it goes x squared, and then it's got x, and then it doesn't have a variable. But we don't know yet how to factor it if it has a leading coefficient other than 1. But what we can do is ask ourselves, is there a number that goes into everything? Yeah, 2 goes into everything. So I can factor a 2 out, right? And when I factor 2 out, I'll tell you what, let me write it different. Let me write it right here. So when I factor 2 out, okay, I divided this by 2, I divided this by 2, and I divided this by 2, so I get x squared minus 8x minus 9. And now what's left inside the parentheses is what we've been factoring. Leading coefficient of 1, it goes x squared and then x and then no variable. Now I told you that kind of stuff normally factors into 2 what? Binomials. And you just bring this 2 down, but you ignore it as you do that. What times what will give me x squared? X times x is x squared, and then I need to list my factors of 9. Remember, you're trying to figure out what numbers multiply to give you -9 and also add up to be -8. So let's list them. Okay, I got 1 times 9.
3 times 3.
3 times 3, and those are all the factors of 9.
Yeah.
Now, I ask myself, is 3 plus 3 equal to 8?
No.
What about 9 minus 1?
Yeah.
But here's why 9 minus 1 won't work, is 9 minus 1 is positive 8, and I need it to be -8. So it needs to be -9 plus 1, right?
Yes.
Look at guys, -9 plus 1 does equal -8. And -9 times 1 does equal -9. So it works for both. So we're going to put in here, we're going to put a +1 and a -9. +1 and a -9. And so this is your answer. You fully factored it. So when you get a leading coefficient other than 1, check and see if that number will factor out of everything.